Today, we're going to look at a common chord progression that you can practice with. It's going to be very simplified, but it'll give you the ability to kind of play along. Hi, I'm John Mathis Jr. Today's chord progression is a common chord progression. We're going to be in the major key of A, and the song that we're going to reference is Waymaker, very popular worship song. So follow the tutorial. Once you watch that, it'll give you some basic chording for the piano that will help develop you in learning to play by ear, hearing those chord changes, and developing that muscle memory. So here it is, chord progression for Waymaker. Okay, today we are going to look at a common chord progression, and the song we're going to take a look at to give us a form of reference is the song Waymaker. It has a common chord progression in it. We're going to be in the key of A. This is our A note, our A key. We're going to form the A major chord with the first, third, fifth note of the scale to make an A major chord. With our left hand, we're just going to play the A key, A note, an octave lower. The other chords in this progression that we're going to use is the D major chord. D is the fourth note in our A major scale. That's a common progression. You'll see your fourth note in the scale as a 4 major chord that is formed with the first, third, and fifth note of the D major scale. And we're going to play a D with our left hand, an octave lower. Back to our A. We're going to play an E major chord. E is our fifth note in the A major scale. Again, the fifth note in a major scale is usually a common 5 major chord that you'll see. We'll take the E major scale. We'll find our first, third, and fifth notes to form the E major chord. Octave lower, we'll play the E. And then our other chord in this progression will be taking the sixth note in the A major scale, which would be an F sharp, and making an F sharp minor. Not an F sharp major, but an F sharp minor, which would be the first note of the F major scale. The third note will move down a half step to make the minor chord and add the fifth note in the scale. That is your F sharp minor. F sharp minor. Back to our A. This song actually begins in the D major chord or the fourth major chord in the E in the A major scale. So we'll start 3, 4. So just a simple rhythm, hitting our bass note, which in essence your left hand is playing, keeping a bass rhythm, only just striking the first note at the beginning of a measure. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there you have that. If you wanted to play for a congregation or play a short intro that's very simple, the lead-in notes would be so that's a short intro. The singing would begin. This song has this same progression over and over throughout the song. So simple one to play. Take this progression, practice it. If this song is about 132 beats a minute, so if we add in a click or a metronome, see, playing in tempo with the click, that what we have there, it'll allow you to practice tempo, staying in tempo for the entire song. So there's a common chord progression used in the song Waymaker. Practice that progression, practice moving, practice your formation of chords, develop your muscle memory so you're not stopping when you're changing to try to form the chord when you return. That takes time, it takes you out of tempo. But practice just this progression. A major is a good key to practice in, because it is moving your fingers in different positions between the white keys, black keys. It'll feel awkward at times, but practice makes perfect. I hope you were able to follow along with that and get some good tips and some ideas, unlock some things in your mind for just playing a basic chord progression, keeping a basic rhythm for a song. You can subscribe to this channel. Be sure to hit the bell notification. You don't want to miss any new videos that we have coming up. If you haven't seen the video that just gives a basic overall foundation of knowing the keyboard, finding major scales, the formula to do that, making chords, major chords out of just knowing the major scale, there's a link in the description for you to watch that, to help give you more of a foundation, more knowledge to play piano by ear. Enjoy.